Welcome to MarineMax and Rogers. I'm Jason Chapman, and today I have the pleasure of showing you our brand new 2023 Nautique G25. Absolutely stunning boat here. We have the Victory Red and the Mystic White hull side. This boat's going to have your stainless steel components right here in the rub rail and inside. The color here really ties into the tower up here, so beautiful boat. As we walk here to the stern, we have a great swim platform here to get in and out of the water. We have our ladder and then also a grab handle right here. This boat does have the NSS or the Nautique surf system, which is really going to shape your waves. We do have the underwater lighting, the steer assist, so in really tight corners here, you're going to be able to maneuver and dock your boat with ease. We do have our surf pipe here that shoots those emissions down into the water, and then our Nautique configurable running surface plate. When the boat's filled with a lot of ballast, this is really going to help you keep on plane. This boat is powered by a ZZ6 450. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. We're going to start here on the transom and then make our way into the boat. As you can see here, we have a nice entryway inside. We have the mocha brown non-skid here, so you're not stepping on your upholstery. And any point of contact getting into the boat, you're going to be able to step on that sea deck to get inside. This boat does have a ton of storage on it. Starting here, we have our subfloor ballast. So on either side, you're going to be able to fit any size board in there. You can put towels, any kind of accessories that you're going to have on the water are going to be able to fit down there. Great feature on this boat is the two aft-facing seats here with cup holders and a transom remote. We also have a built-in cooler down there, so it's a great spot to hang out and relax. Making our way inside, we have our seat here that folds back into place so that you can have passengers sitting back here, relaxing and watching what's going on behind the boat. The interior in here is absolutely stunning. So we have the white, gray, and Victory Red here that really ties into the exterior. We have the upgraded enhanced lighting package on here. So we have it displayed in red right now to match the boat, but you can circle through about every color on the spectrum. And then right here at the tower, this tower does fold down and the bimini top lays flat. So it's great for storage underneath in your garage or when it's on a lift. And then right here we have our strapless board racks. So these do swivel outward and they fit any size board. JL audio sound quality on here. So we have a couple of our speakers up here on the tower. And then our bimini top here, it's folded in place right now, but it does open up and it's got spots up there for your boards as well. And then coming inside the boat here, we do have our heater and defroster. So on some of those cold mornings here in Minnesota, you can turn on the heater and then it's going to be a lot more comfortable. Again, moving around the boat, lots of storage. This does come with a towable cover as well. And taking a look here at the helm, this boat is ergonomically sound. So we have our race car inspired seat right here. At our dash, we have high visibility. We have our link pan array screen on. So right here on your toggle switch, you can go through your wave shape and ballast control, adjust all your music. And then we have our lighting right here as well. And then we have our GPS. So very well equipped boat here. Tilt steering wheel. We do have a recessed glove box with also a remote in there so you can adjust all your volume and control. And then walking up to the bow, this boat does have a bow filler cushion, so you can make this into a complete sun pad up here. Plenty of seating on either side. We have our armrest right here. So overall, a great boat here for the lakes of Minnesota. This is a 2023 Nautique G25. Feel free to give us a call, stop on by, or make an appointment. As you can see, I'm already wearing short sleeves, so we're getting really close to summer. So we look forward to seeing each and every one of you. Thanks.